Hello everyone, welcome to the German Language Institute. So today I will be teaching you numbers in German language. So let's get started. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, that means 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, now over here make the difference, that is in 17 we will not be using the same pattern as we followed earlier, that is 13 is 3 plus 10, so over here we are writing it's 13 because 3 is 3, 10 is sane, so if I combine it will be 13. Same pattern will be followed from 14, 15, 16, but in 17 there is an exception, that is we will not be using 17, we will be writing 17, understood? 17, 18, 18, 19, 19, 20, 20. So here are the numbers that we have learned from 1st till 20 in German. I will be giving you the more lessons on the rest of the numbers in the next session. Okay, so don't get afraid. Till then, bye, tschüss, danke.